Welcome to this comprehensive guide on why use Rocket Money budget tracking. As we navigate our financial lives, it is essential to have a clear picture of our income and expenses. Rocket Money is a powerful tool designed to help individuals track their spending, create a budget, and achieve financial stability. First, let us start with the basics. Budget tracking is the process of monitoring and managing your income and expenses. It helps you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. With Rocket Money, you can easily link your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions to get a comprehensive view of your financial situation. One of the key benefits of using Rocket Money is its ability to categorize your expenses automatically. This means you can see exactly how much you are spending on essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries, as well as discretionary items like entertainment and hobbies. By having this information at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions about how to allocate your resources. Another important feature of Rocket Money is its budgeting tools. The platform allows you to set financial goals, such as saving for an emergency fund or paying off debt, and creates a personalized plan to help you achieve them. You can also set up alerts and notifications to stay on track and avoid overspending. In addition to its tracking and budgeting features, Rocket Money also offers bill negotiation services. The platform's team of experts will work with your service providers to lower your bills, saving you money on expenses like cable, internet, and insurance. To get the most out of Rocket Money, it is essential to use it consistently and make adjustments as needed. Start by linking all of your financial accounts and tracking your spending for at least a month to get a clear picture of your financial situation. Then, set realistic financial goals and create a budget that works for you. Finally, regularly review your progress and make adjustments to stay on track. In conclusion, Rocket Money is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances and achieve financial stability. By tracking your spending, creating a budget, and using the platform's bill negotiation services, you can save money, reduce stress, and build a brighter financial future.